So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Misha and we are still on Mimi's Spot, a place for beauty, lifestyle, social media tips, fashion, and of course DIY. So today's video is a facial mask tutorial. Like I promised, I'm gonna be posting every facial that I do every week. So today I have like 3 kitchen ingredients that I'm gonna share with you guys. I'm gonna show you in this facial. Tomatoes will clean and clear the skin. They'll help us in reducing open pores and removing or reducing blackheads. It will help us in lightening and restoring a dull skin, and that's why we have it in today's mask. Gram flour is very good at reducing dryness and blackheads from the skin. It will help in fading acne, and that's the reason I wanted to show it to you in today's mask, because of its many health benefits. Sugar is a natural exfoliator. It's gonna help us hydrate and moisturize our skin. In this mask, it's gonna work as an anti-aging agent, thus leaving our skin looking fresh and very young. And that's the very reason why I have it today. So we're gonna need a spoon and of course a plate. And lastly, we need a knife. We're gonna get our sugar now and take 1 tablespoon of sugar and of course put it on our plate. So let's now go on and get our gram flour and also take equal parts, that's 1 tablespoon of gram flour, and mix it properly with the sugar before we bring in anything else. Make sure that you mix it very well. Get our tomato now. You can blend it, squeeze it, or press it as long as you have the juice. I decided to go in and cut it and actually just slice through it and press the juice out, because all we need is the juice on the plate. So after slicing it, press the juice on the plate and mix the 3 ingredients together until it forms a paste. Make sure that the sugar crystals are actually dissolved before you apply the mask on your face, because we don't want the mask, of course, to be so rough for our skin. And now it's ready for use. So let's go on and apply our mask. Leave it on now for about let's leave our mask on now for about 10 to 15 minutes. Our mask is now dry. So after this, after wiping off the first step of our mask, we're gonna go on with our second step of today. We're gonna go on with the second step of today's treatment. And so that we're gonna use the other half of the tomato that we remained with, and we will put a little bit of sugar on top of it, and we're gonna use it to scrub a little bit on our skin. Not hard, we're gonna make a gentle scrub, like I said, a gentle scrub. So because our skin has already had a mask on for 20 minutes, so we don't want to stress it and scrub it really a lot. Oh my god. So guys, I'm back. Sorry, I had to in between, but now I'm back to finish my face mask. That's my husband in the background.
Hi darling.
Hi sweetie. Okay, so we're gonna go on with our second step, which is gonna be sugar, and using the rest of our tomato. Go ahead and get a plate and a spoon, of course. So let's grab our sugar and get 1 tablespoon of sugar and put it on the plate. Get a tomato, I mean the half that remained from the rest we used from the first step. Dip it in your sugar and make sure that all the sugar crystals first dissolve before you use it to scrub your face. And then go ahead and scrub your face. Don't forget the lips, because you also need to scrub them. So I'm leaving this on for about 5 minutes. If you have time, you can give it 10 minutes. So guys, my scrub is dry. I'm gonna also go on and get it off. You can of course just go in and wash it off, but I want first to wipe my face before I wash. I forgot to say, just scrub for 2 to 3 minutes and not so long. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom, guys, and wash my face, and then I'll be back. So guys, just like you can see, that's how my face looks like. I really like how it feels. Oh my god, it feels so nice, it feels so smooth. My skin feels so like tight, you know, it gives you that tightness. It feels so fresh. I don't know how you see it, but you can also
let me know. So just think about it. If you do, like, if you keep doing face masks with the natural ingredients, like you do 4 times to 3 times a week, you do the same mask, or you do another mask in the morning and you use the next morning another mask, as long as you don't use the harsh masks, you will achieve the skin you really want. So let me know, guys, what you think about this mask in the comment section below. But as far as I see, I really like how my skin looks like. It looks much more better, it looks much more brighter, it looks much more lighter than before before I started the mask. So let me know if you're gonna try it, and if you try a mask out, please let me know also what the results were like. So if you're looking forward to next masks, like treating acne, pimples and all that stuff, let me know in the comment section below. But away from that, if you're watching for the first time, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can become part of the family. Turn on the bell too so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it or find it interesting. For my returning subscribers, you guys mean a lot to me. Thank you a lot. Thanks for supporting, and we see us in my next video. Choose a sign out. Peace.